Hello everyone, this is Kamal. I'm a family and psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. I don't have that room set up today. I was just outside and I decided to make this video in this nice weather. But let's talk about it. I always tell you guys, think about, the mental health condition about these crimes. And you see all these crime videos all the time, but even if you can recognize one or two symptoms, you never know when you can help your family or your friends. So let's get started. The one case that I'm going to talk about today is Mitesh and Jessica Patel from England. They were having a very good life. They were working as a pharmacist in England. And everything was fine, just like a dream life they were living. Family and friends, they described as a happy living couple. But inside, this Mitesh was hiding a dark secret. The dark secret was that he was living a double life. He had another friend named Amit, who was in some other country, I believe, but he was dating another guy. And Jessica did not know in the starting, but then he started to invite this guy at his house. They had a couple of meetings. He introduced him as his friend, and he described him like as his one of the, I think, best friends. But Jessica couldn't tell. She couldn't believe in the starting, but eventually she came to know with the text and the behavior, and she had a little doubt because Jessica and Mitesh pretty much had a sexless life. They did not had any relationship as a husband and wife, and eventually she found out that this thing is not going to work out. Mitesh did not want to have any relationship with Jessica, and he used to go on dating lines and used to meet this guy Amit all the time. So she was pretty heartbroken, but she wanted a baby. She wanted to have a good life, and she opted to go for IVF. So when she was going for IVF, and a couple of the rounds they got failed, it was pretty painful for her. But she kept going. She did not get discouraged with the whole process, and she kept going. And finally, she got the success. She got pregnant after a few rounds. And when she was pregnant, she thought it's going to be a new life. It's going to be a new start of the marriage life. She wanted to break the news in front of Mitesh. So Mitesh heard the news, but he was such a callous person. We're going to talk about the personality disorder, so please stay tuned. It's very important for you to know what kind of personality he had. So this person, Mitesh, had another plan for Jessica. He made a plan with his friend Amit to steal her embryos. Yes, that's true. He decided to steal the embryos of Jessica so he can just flee to his best friend, and they can have a good life and also have a baby. So, but Jessica was the obstacle for sure, right? So he had to kill Jessica in order to get those embryos and start a new life. So one day when Jessica came back from her job, her husband attacked her and put her down on the floor and pretty much duct taped her. He injected insulin into the body of Jessica and pretty much made her unconscious and strangulated her. So finally she was dead. And he was seen on one of the CCTV camera buying pizza. He made this plan to look like a robbery. So he's outside, he's buying pizza. And when he came back home, he found his wife dead on the floor, and he don't know what happened. And then he called 911. I'm so sorry, actually. It's in America. So he called 999 in England. To the operator, he pretty much made it look like a robbery for sure. Family of Jessica had to believe him, even if they knew there were some conflicts going on. Jessica was not happy, but they didn't have any proof to, not believe it. So when the investigation started, finally police revealed that it was Mitesh because of the how the investigation goes. There was no breakage in the house. When they did the investigation of the pharmacy, they got a lot of jewelry that was stolen from home to look like a robbery. And they also found the insulin syringes and the duct tape, the same duct tape that was used for Jessica. This was pretty heartbreaking for the family. The guy she was living with, the guy she believed, and he is the one who killed her. I want you to think about this case, how he started his relationship with Jessica. He was making her happy in all ways. He was making false promises that he's the only one, he's the best guy in the world who can make her happy. But there was another plan in his mind. So let's talk about the personality that I believe he had. So when I do this analysis, it's based on the speculation, not the definitive analysis. So always rely on the actual facts, actual research. But this is what I think. I believe he had antisocial personality. So what is antisocial personality? So when I talk about antisocial personality, it does not mean that they are antisocial. Actually, they are opposite. I don't know if you have heard about Ted Bundy. It's one of the American serial killer, and he was a charming person, and he used to attract the females, with his personality. But back in his head, he was pretty wild. He had no remorse. He killed a lot of women. So that kind of personality is antisocial. They have no remorse. Second, deceitfulness. Deceitful means dishonesty. They will present a situation like that is the best, but that situation is created for their benefit, not for anybody else. And this goes pretty well with this Mitesh. So the next symptom I can talk about is callousness. Means when they have no care, they have no remorse. And that also goes pretty well with the personality of Mitesh. If you see, he didn't have any remorse what he did. And he kept going. He kept harming Jessica in different ways, emotionally, physically. And he didn't care about the love and making family and her emotions. Next symptom that we can talk about is they omit laws. They do not care about the laws and rules. And that is also one of the symptoms of Mitesh. A person with antisocial personality also are impulsive, means they act without thinking. They're very manipulative. So these are the few characteristics of antisocial personality. I hope you guys like this video. My kids are around, so I gotta go. But take care of your mental health and those around you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.